Welcome to our online assembly for Tongue Language Week Part 2. Ko hoku hingoa ko tokase.
Ko hingoa ko walu, and we are your hosts for today. School, please bow your heads and close your eyes for the opening prayer.
Kamata mabihe vani, ke tāpua o huafa, ke ao mai hau pule, ke whahawhina ngalo, angie ko i he langi, pe he whoki mamani. Whaki mai a hori ha mau mea kai ki anai, a wha more ma ngahi ang hala, angie ko i ma wha more a kina tofu a pe mo mai. Te awa nā tūki mātou ki ai ahi, ai whaafi mātou me he whiri, he ko o ai pule, moi mālohi, moi koloria, o taingata, pea taingata, e meli.
School, please join us as we sing Ilonga Taha and the Tonga National Anthem.
Ilonga hata e fie mo ui Ilonga aia tene loto ke tui e tali e sisu hata hape he okune kumi ai sipina Ilonga hata mana tuki api na eno for mama o kai fie foki mai e tali e sisu hata hape e okune kumi ai sipina Ilonga hata e whakato mala ai ngā weta e honga mo e talangata e tali e sisu hata hape he okune kumi ai sipina he okune kumi ai sipina
Our theme for this year's Tonga Language Week is Whakoloa a Aotearoa Ake Akolele. which means enriching Aotearoa with holistic education.
We will now have Monica to say a few words. Thank you, Monica.
Paolei ko ki ngā ko Monica Pakaslea te o kua uhau mei masila mea tonga tapu mō Nomuka. I attended middle school in 2015 and 2016. What makes me proud to be Tongan is the love my people have for our culture. Just repping it anytime, anywhere, and celebrating the traditions and accomplishments we made over the past years. My advice for those who don't know their culture is just to make an effort to try and learn it. At the end of the day, your culture is what makes you you. If you don't know your culture, then you don't know who you are as a person. In attempting to learn your culture, don't be shy to make mistakes, ask questions, and educate yourself through other people's stories within your community and culture. My lockdown and online learning is going pretty well. I have teachers who are supportive, friends to talk to and stay connected with, and just the time to look after myself and my mental health and my family, so no complaints from me. During my time in middle school, I would have to say one of my highlights would be the sports events that we've held, like tabloids, athletics, and just going out to roast other schools within our zone and getting pulled out of class to work on media content with Rani and making videos. Looking back on those videos, it seems a bit cringe to me, but when I was in middle school, that would always be something I looked forward to each week. I definitely had a lot of memories there. Yeah, that's one of my highlights of middle school. Middle school mana, all day, every day.
Can the Year 7 teachers please present their awards?
Kia ora Middle School. Room Finds Awards go to 2 girls who have consistently come to class every day and done all their tasks after class, and that's my Mele and my Meki Kore.
My first award goes to Cynthia for always being on time. And my second award goes to Tevita for always being online and making sure he does his work.
My first award goes to Zaidor for always being online and completing the tasks. And my second award goes to Kalolene and Helena for sharing their Tongan culture and their Tongan performance.
So this week from Room 9, my first award goes to Kansas for always coming to classes on time and always making sure that she has a contribution to every lesson. And my second award goes to Vivianza Linda for completing all follow-up activities and for always winning our Kahoots.
Room 10's awards that I'm giving it to is one for Tokase for sharing her knowledge about Tongan Language Week, being Tongan, her values and who she is within her family, and Agesa for asking for work, making contact with other girls in our class to make sure that they're okay with their well-being.
These 2 awards go to my 2 students that have constantly come online to all our classes and they participate in all our discussions and do the work as well. So these 2 awards go to Wakato Yono and Kesaya Tonga.
Congratulations to those who receive an award. Keep up the good work. We will now have an item about lockdown.
This is a time of struggle. This is a tribal struggle. We all in this together. Ain't nobody gonna bring this down. Ayo, middle school, what? Ayo, middle school, what? We gotta come together, survive for the good. There's no time to sit around. We're locked out, ayy. Middle school, mana all day, every day.
We in lockdown, but we ain't knocked out, ayy. Middle school, mana
all day, every day.
Hey yo, middle school.
What?
Hey yo, middle school.
What?
Lockdown for schools made online was the must. Shout out to the teachers, cause they had to adjust. Learning was different and in a way it's fun. But I miss my friends, man, and my school lunch. Yo, middle school.
What?
Hey, yo, middle school. What?
2021, like locking up a book. Full of conversations, happy where I'm stationed. Upper circuit tipping in a room for resentment. A current situation got me feeling speechless. Ayo, middle school.
What?
Ayo, middle school.
What?
Here we go, another week in lockdown. I miss the days when I would walk around without a mask, and now I have to be on task. Everything I want to do, I have to ask. It's a must or no trust. I've been lazy, been gaming, feeling crazy, being shady, doing chores for the old lady. It's been raining, no training. I'm praying, all I do is gaming. It's shaming, but entertaining.
We are locked out. Hey. Middle school, mama, all day, every day.
We in lockdown, but we ain't knocked out. Ayy. Middle school, man, all day, every day.
This is a perfect time for us to reflect on what the future holds. Just know what you expect. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Come to middle school, it's time to jumpstart.
Yo, middle school.
What?
Hey, yo, middle school.
What?
We are locked out. Hey. Middle school, mama, all day, every day.
We in lockdown, but we ain't knocked out. Ayy.
Middle school, mama, all day, every day.
Can the Year 8 teachers please present their awards?
For Room 1, and the first award goes to Mahalia for completing all the tasks in Education Perfect on time. And the second award goes to Siatau Tai for always being on time for our live lesson.
My 2 awards go to 2 of my students who have completed all their tasks and are always online learning with us. So it goes to Morris and Salote.
For roommates, the first award goes to Vacinia for her consistent hard work online for Education Perfect, and the second award goes to Phoenix for his excellent attendance online.
Okay, this week my awards go to all my students in room 12. Thank you for always coming online and just showing your faces to me. It gets me by each day. So I reward all my students. You are very special and I miss you all so much.
Hi everybody, and so room 13 award goes to firstly to Matau because of his continuous participation in our online learning, coming in class and being cheerful and keeping everybody happy. And also the second award goes to Edwina here for her very good presentation that she did with regards to our Tongan language week, and it was an example for the rest of the students, and we really enjoyed. And just on that note too, I would like to say a big vinaka vakalevo and a thank you to all my students for coming in and keeping us happy. Thank you.
So this week my awards go to both Catalina and Valu for both showing up to all of our Zoom dance classes and for also bringing a positive, bright attitude and for trying their best each time. So thank you, girls.
Congratulations to those who have received an award. Keep up the good work. We will now have a poem presented by Hina.
They told us to be worried, for what may come might be scary. For being in isolation tends to make us think we're in a hallucination. Because even in Arizona there's coronavirus. It all started in 2019 when no one was as keen. Even Jacinda was in quarantine. During this virus we've become so spacious, it's outrageous. People fighting for toilet paper, while others are at home staying safer. It's a whole game changer. It feels like I'm being detained in chains, not being able to go anywhere. I guess we all have to pay in this fare. Many challenges have come with COVID-19. No school, no shopping, no meccas. Many can be listed. Not just bad, but maybe even good. It's like I'm in a box. Everywhere I go, there'll be a wall 4 corners tall. So stay in your own bubble. Don't pop it or stop it. And try not to cause any trouble. We're all trying to survive.
We will now have a quiz.
How do you say how are you in Tongan?
Pepe hake.
Pepe hake. Pepe hake.
Saipe.
Pepe hake. Pepe hake.
How many islands are in Tonga? First option is A, 100 islands, B, 150 islands, or C, 170 islands.
C.
170.
170.
150. 170.
What is the capital of Tonga?
Nuku'alofa.
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 Nuku'alofa. Yeah. Nuku'alofa. Nuku'alofa.
What does vave mean?
Fast or hurry?
Hurry.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry.
What is the Tongan word for Auckland? Would you like to call a friend?
Yeah.
Who would you like to call? Filippo. What is the Tongan word for Auckland?
Oh, that's tough. I would say Okalani.
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 But I don't know.
Thank you all for attending our Tongan Language Week Part 2 Assembly and for celebrating our language and our culture as a middle school and as a collegiate family. Ofato, stay safe in your bubble and remember, middle school mana all day, every day!